The process of dehydrating milk to create milk powder was first developed by the French scientist and chemist François-Nicolas Appert in 1802. At that time, milk powder served as a convenient and long-lasting source of nutrition, particularly for military use during wars. The primary purpose of developing milk powder was to address the challenges of transporting and preserving liquid milk, especially in situations where fresh milk was not readily available. The dehydration process involved removing the water content from milk, resulting in fine powdered milk particles. This transformation not only extended the shelf life of milk, but also made it easier to transport and store without the need for refrigeration. Over the years, milk powder became a staple in many households, offering a versatile and convenient form of milk that could be reconstituted with water when needed. It gained popularity in rural areas where obtaining fresh milk regularly was a challenge. In the contemporary era, the United States alone produces a staggering 98 billion liters of milk annually. With approximately 60,000 dairy farms and 9 million specifically bred cows, the process has evolved. Advanced farms like this one showcase automated milking and feeding systems, streamlining production, and ensuring the well-being of the cows. Ever wondered about the life of a dairy cow? These remarkable animals dedicate up to 8 hours a day to consuming a mixture of hay, grass, and grain, enriched with minerals and proteins. In return, they produce as much as 38 liters of nutrient-rich milk per day, 7 days a week. The milking process is a delicate dance, with each cow contributing to the impressive daily yield. In this advanced dairy farm, technology takes center stage. Imagine a setup where a single farmer can manually milk 6 cows per hour, but modern milking machines can handle up to 100 cows in the same time frame. Technological marvels like these not only boost efficiency, but also contribute to the welfare of the cows. As freshly collected milk embarks on its journey from dairy farms to the processing factory, refrigerated trucks ensure the milk maintains the perfect temperature during transportation. Upon arrival, the milk undergoes rigorous analysis in the laboratory before being accepted for further processing. To create milk powder, we need to separate solids from the milk. A centrifugal separator, spinning at an incredible 7,000 revolutions per minute, efficiently separates skimmed milk from cream. But our journey doesn't stop there. Pasteurization becomes our next protagonist, a quick yet crucial process that eliminates harmful bacteria, ensuring the milk's safety and longevity. Now, our milk undergoes a transformation, moving from a liquid to a thicker, more concentrated form. The evaporator, with its intricate towers and tubes, plays a key role. The heat used to turn water into vapor is recovered and reused, showcasing the factory's commitment to sustainability. As water is removed, the condensed formula emerges, setting the stage for the final act. Our condensed milk, now richer and denser, undergoes a cooling process to prevent moisture formation. It's a delicate dance that ensures the powdered milk maintains its quality. Finally, the transformed milk is carefully packed into airtight sealed cans, shielding it from moisture and contamination. This meticulous process is the key to preserving the quality and shelf life of the final product.